Ayan guys, let's eat. Ang daming pagkain dito. Ayan yung fried rice. Rice is life.
Like that.
Rice is life. Ito yung tahong.
I like the, what is this again?
Saan? Ah, yung palabok. Palabok. Ayan guys, let's eat na. Party is begun. Alright, ano bang meron dito na food? Alright. Andito pa yung ibang mga food guys. Thank you. Yung ibang mga food andito. Kain na tayo. Upo lang kung saan kayo gusto umupo.